The AURM is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, but the real key is to set up the AURM for your operation. For starters, save a copy of the AURM in a file folder on your computer or whoever's going to be submitting the reports for you, so you can keep track of it easily. In this case, I have the file loaded right here and highlighted. Save a copy of this file so you'll always have a backup. In this case, I've renamed the file working copy, and that's the one I'll use. If for whatever reason your working copy will tank, you can always go back and make another copy of the application that you've saved on the drive. I also recommend that you set up a file folder entitled AUR files or whatever works for you that will let you save the product that the AUR manager is going to produce. Now, if you want, you can pause this recording and set up your files now, and then you can go back and forth between the recording and the actual application and follow along with me on your computer. So let's open up the app and put it through its paces. This is the intro page, and it has instructions on how to launch the manager. The first step is to enable the Visual Basic macros. Don't do this yet. Visual Basic is what makes this Excel work like an application on your computer. However, it restricts how you use your computer. It will automatically take up to a full screen. Minimize doesn't work, neither does the X at the top right-hand corner. And it really doesn't work well if you have other Excel applications loaded at the same time. So, before you enable the macro here, let's take a look at the tabs here at the bottom of the screen. The Instructions tab at the bottom is your home plate, and that's where you will launch the application from. The Admin DB has tables that you'll probably just need to visit once just so you see them. The key is to come in here and take a look around and find the primary customer table, and using a pull down here, pick your bureau. Okay? That tells us where the default billing bureau is for your aircraft and the flying you're going to do. It also has the pay item codes that will be used later. You shouldn't have to mess with these at all. Okay? Similarly, the next tab, the value list, shows the values that are established for a lot of the pull downs that the program uses. Please do not change these at all because FBMS will not accept the change value. The aircraft records is where the time saving really starts. Instead of having to specify your aircraft all the time, you really need to just do it once. In this example, I've set up three migratory bird aircraft in this spreadsheet, and later on I'll just be able to refer to them by using the pull-down menu. The airport records shows you all the airports that have been loaded in this application. We took this information from AMS and the previous AMS legacy system, so there's literally decades of airport identifiers, both 3-letter and 4-letter and special identifiers in here. Pilot records. The truth is, FBMS only uses your 9-character FBMS pilot number, not your name, when it's recording data. This tab lets you load up pilot names in a pull-down table, so once you enter your FBMS number and your name, you will never have to enter your FBMS number again in this application. Important note, if you're going to have other pilots flying with you and you want to record their times, you need to load their data in this table so that you can use them later on. FBMS will not recognize a pilot name, it only recognizes the FBMS pilot number, so it has to be entered in here first.